I can read our signs. We're here for a good cause. Put that fist in the air. We're outside Mondelez International on the day of their shareholder meeting, where they're looking at their numbers, trying to figure out how to squeeze more profit from stealing land, from tearing down forests all over the world.
Boo!
And we brought over 150,000 signatures from supporters around the world who know the truth. We're out here speaking truth. They need to stop profiting from stealing land, from tearing down the rainforest in Indonesia. And are we gonna stop?
Hell no!
Are we gonna stop?
Hell no!
I said up with the people. Yeah, yeah.
Up with the people.
Up with the people.
Yeah, yeah.
Down with Mondelez.
Down with Mondelez.
Up with the people.
Up with the people.
Down with Mondelez.
Down with Mondelez.
Oh no, Oreo.
Oh no, Oreo.
Keep going.
Conflict palms got to go. Divest, divest, save what's left. Divest, divest, save what's left.